Hello everyone. The first topic is the distance between 2 points in a line segment. Before we start the discussion, you can get a piece of paper to take down notes. Now, here is a very quick and simple example. Point A is -5 and point B is +6. The formula in getting the distance between 2 points in a line segment is the absolute value between the difference of the 2 points. -5 minus 6 is -11. However, the absolute value between the difference of -5 and 6 is 11. Therefore, the distance between points A, -5, and B, +6, is 11. Do you know that we can also use this topic in real-life situations? Imagine, your family is at Vista Mall San Fernando, Pampanga, and you want to go to SM Telebastagan. You knew that Jumbo Genera is in between Vista Mall and SM Telebastagan. Okay, let's make this simple. Let's make Vista Mall point A, Jumbo Genera point B, and SM Telebastagan point C. Point A, Vista Mall, is 4.50 kilometers west of Point B or Jumbo Genera, and Point C, SM Telebastagan, is 6.65 east of Point B, Jumbo Genera. West is going to the left, which means it is negative, and east is going to the right, which means it is positive. -4.50 minus 6.65 is -11.15 kilometers. But the absolute value between the difference of -4.50 and 6.65 kilometers is 11.15 kilometers. Therefore, you should drive at least 11.15 kilometers to reach SM Telebastagan. This is the line segment illustration of the said example. This is point A, -4.50, point B, the jumbo genera which is 0, and point C, which is 6.65, and the distance between points A and C is 11.15. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand this lesson.
The formula for distance is square root of x of 2 minus x of 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1. We have 2 points, 6, -4, and 5, 10. Distance is equals to square root 5 minus 6 squared plus 10 minus -4 squared. Distance is equals to square root -1 squared plus 14 squared. Distance equals to square root 1 plus 196. Distance equals to square root 197. Therefore, the distance between 3 is 6, -4, and 5 to 9 is 197. 197. This is point 6 -4, and this is point 5.
The topics that I'm going to discuss is all about midpoint in a number line and midpoint formula. So first, let's discuss about midpoint in a number line. So just like the very first topic, we can also use real-life problems. Here is an example. Harold buys cassava from Willie Cassava Cake Bakery. His house is in the middle of Jollibee Memphis, which is 1.06 kilometers from Willie Cassava, and ICTHS, which is 0.90 kilometers from Willie Cassava. To reach his house, what is the midpoint between Jollibee May Impis to ICTHS? So our two given points, distances, 1.06 kilometers and 0.90 kilometers will be our x sub 1 plus x sub 2. So 1.06 plus 0.90 over 2. Then let's add this one. 1.96 over 2. And our answer is 0.98 kilometers. And that's our midpoint. Very easy, right? So next, this time we'll tackle about midpoint formula. The midpoint formula, as we know, is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So we have 2 points. We have points which are 4 and 8 and then 1 and negative 2. We first have to follow the formula, then plot the points. So this is the graph. 4, 8, 1, and negative 2. Midpoint is equal to this one and this one. 4 plus 1 over 2 and 8 plus negative 2 over 2. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 over 2. And then 8 plus negative 2, this will be 6 over 2. And our midpoint is 2 and 1 half and then 3. That's how easy it is. Now, let's try another example. Here's the points. 6 and 2 and then negative 5 and negative 6. So 6 plus negative 5 over 2 and 2 and 2 plus negative 6 over 2. So 6 plus negative 5 is equal to 1 over 2, so 1 half. And then 2 plus negative 6 is over 2 is negative 4 over 2. So our midpoint is 1 half and then negative 2.